Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning how to solve a quadratic equation using the factorization method, also known as the middle term break method. For this method, what we need to do is find two terms that add or subtract to give the middle term, and these two terms should be found in the way that they can factorize with the first and the last term. For this, we use the method. First, we start with multiplying the first term and the last term, and we get 6x squared in this example. Now we need to find factors of 6x squared that will add or subtract to give negative 5x. And for 6x, we have a negative sign. So for this, for example, we have a negative x squared and a positive 6x, negative x and a positive 6x. Then we have negative 3x, positive 2x. Similarly, we can invert the signs. We have a negative 6x and a positive x, even negative 2x and a positive 3x. Now all of these do give us meet the first condition of being factors of the product of the first and last term. But not all of these will give us a negative 5x on being added or subtracted. For this, we'll have a positive 5x. This will give us a negative x. This is the only term that will give us negative 5x. This will again give us a positive x. So this is the set of terms that we can use to solve our equation. Now, we'll proceed. Now, when we rewrite the equation, we'll write the first and last term as it is. But instead of the middle term, that is negative 5x, we'll write the two new terms that we have found. Positive negative 6x and positive x. Now we can see that we can easily take an x common from the first two terms. If we take an x common, we see that x multiplied with an x will give us x squared, and x multiplied by negative 6 will give us the second term. So we have taken these two common. Again, to form the second part of the equation, we take a common out of the next two terms. So we take a positive 1 common. Positive 1 divided by x, we have an x. Multiply these two and you get the third term of the equation back. For the last term, we'll multiply it with the negative 6. Now we can see from the two terms that we have in the third step of the equation, we can easily say that we can take this x minus 6 and x minus 6 common. So we can take the x minus 6 common, and what we are left with is x plus 1. Now this is the final answer to our question. X squared minus 5x minus 6 can also be written as x minus 6 into x plus 1. Now to solve this equation, we'll usually have a equal to 0 in the question. Putting this equal to 0 here, now we can use the zero product property, and we can say x minus 6 is equals to 0 and x plus 1 is equals to 0. Here we'll take the negative 6 to the other side. We'll have x equals 0 plus 6. Here we'll have x equals 0 minus 1. This will give us x equals positive 6 and x equals negative 1. These will be the two answers to our equation in the question that was given to us as x squared minus 5x minus 6.